Let's see what Henry's up to.
Hello, and welcome to Henry's Kitchen, where today we're going to be showing you a little bit of a blooper reel by popular demand.
Isn't that painting upside down?
Bloopers aren't very frequent on Henry's Kitchen because the kitchen is a very serious business.
Hello, chill dude.
But I was able to put together a couple of clips over the last many years that show some little bits of levity. Enjoy. Oh, and I also want to say, if you live in St. Louis, come see me Friday, November 15th. You can get tickets at henryphillips.com.
Any St. Louisers here? Go watch that 3 days from now.
.com/tour.
Okay.
Hello, and welcome to Henry's Chili. Today, we're going to be making
Gonna be making Henry's Kitchen.
shepherd's pie. Almost.
Oh, that smile. That darn smile.
Bill, do you have any coming?
Who's coming?
No, do you have any coming?
Somebody's coming.
From salad to salsa to fruit, here are some great, refreshing dish ideas to make with your sweet, succulent melons. Happy Valentine's Day,
Thank you.
and let's get our stroganoff started. A lot of you are probably familiar with the expression, he's cooking up some kind of nasty-ass stroganoff. Hello everybody, and welcome to Henry's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making Henry's fucking veggie turducken, or as it is commonly known as the veggie duckin. The veggie duckin. Jesus, now I'm getting the giggles.
Adorable.
Okay, well now that our veggie duckin is completely assembled, we're going to put it in the oven.
By the way, it's not a room, it's a closet.
We're going to sorry.
Oop.
Hello everybody.
See a European strainer up here.
Hey, so you getting everything set up here? Hey. Hey, so you're getting... Just try to stay totally...
That reminds me of Eric Salvia. Big money, Salvia. Have you ever watched the series You and Your Fucking Coffee? No, I don't think so.
Pupusa
Oh, Pupusa, that's what we made with him.
from a bastardization of the word popoplex, which means popo.
Help me make it through the night,
Bro, I replied to you, man.
'cause I am tired.
And alone. All right, thanks, Henry. That was very wholesome, I thought. Very cool. There's a best of internet daily notes. There's the new unusual memes. This thing looks insane.